It is time to insulate, and we're gonna go ahead. Okay, I'm gonna work this area first. We're gonna work this top space, get our insulation in place. I think I should be pretty much good in this wall. Gonna knock this out. We about to knock this out. We passed inspection, so I am ecstatic. Bah! Till the next time, see ya. We're gonna keep this exposed. I gotta go ahead and weld those plumbing parts together. This right here, that's rocking and rolling. And this is the next piece I got. I'm gonna keep this exposed. This is possibly where the dryer is gonna go. And I may run a electrical line right here for the dryer. I may put it on the floor. Got to get this cavity right here. I decided just to wait to the end because I got a lot going on. Got to put it in, work around, pull it, you know. So we're just gonna do the straight cuts for right now. We got half cuts, then we can't get a full sheet because you got blocks. That's just the nature of the business. No complaints here. Getting it all wrapped up. We're gonna wire blocking in this space here. But once I get, once I get these three, I'm gonna move on over. I still want to do something with that header. I'm probably gonna move over to this space over here and keep working this, just work this wall. I know I got 1, 2. We can get a few of them in there. We got some good cells in. pretty decent packaging that it came in, so. So probably what I do with the packaging is try to use it on the tires out here on some of the heavy machines, kind of like tarps. Hard work don't sleep. Hard work don't sleep, man. Alright, my hands are cold, man. Gotta warm these hands up right quick. That's what this heater is all about. Only problem is, heat is going right out through the roof. Literally going out through the roof. Oh man. Gotta get warm, buddy. Take off the snowsuit and the snow boots. Get the wheel spinning. Yeah, I'm looking good on time.